Alright, this is going to be a video using a UPK-DX 1913 rail mount set to mount a D-series knife to a 1913 Picatinny rail. Alright, so a good starting point is you take these three supports. It's going to take up 5 slots. Alright, you'll notice we skipped 2 slots. And you want to line up the support ribs with this inside slot here. And find the center, and if it's centered, you should be able to jiggle it. And that's kind of showing you that it's all the way in and it's not out of alignment. Alright? And we can start by placing the clamps about where those supports will allow the screws to go all the way through. Alright, and we can take the mating side. Alright, and I want to notice that these ripples or ridges are on the knife facing side. Alright, and that will create sort of a positive lock. Now if it's not in the position you want, you can loosen it a little bit and find that right position, and the alignment dowels inside will bite into these grooves and lock it. Alright, so if we're happy with the position, we should be able to apply a reasonable amount of torque